and welcome to Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to learn the pronunciation and meaning of two fun words. First up, we have this word which is pronounced as ascetic. Ascetic. An ascetic is someone who lives a simple life, often for religious reasons. For example, a monk. They don't believe in luxury and try to live with as little as possible. Here is a sentence example. Living hidden away in the mountains suited his ascetic character. Next, we have this word which is pronounced as perceptible. Perceptible. This word means something that you can see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. In other words, if something is perceptible, you can notice it with your senses. Here is a sentence example. Her foreign accent was barely perceptible. So there you have it. Two new words to add to your vocabulary. We will see you in another episode of Words Well Read. Till then, remember to have fun while learning and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.